What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. I'm glad you guys are tuning in today because we're headed to the land of power strokes. But first, let's just take a glance at this awesome city of Pittsburgh. She's purring. 67. Just converted to all fuel injection, right?
Yep, fuel injection. Always cycle.
Alright guys, now that we're done with the old 67 Mustang, Dan here's testing out a new transmission tune. We're uploading it on here so I can help test. He's testing it, of course, on his Platinum over there, and we're gonna do it on mine here. What did you change with this one?
A little shift point, tranny strategy. A few things with transmission strategy like shift points, lockup, stuff like that.
We're gonna go full send with the transmission tuning here. There's already transmission tuning. This is just a different kind of situation he's testing here. So we're gonna bring you guys along with the ride on the new transmission tuning. Should be awesome. Now we did go to our secret trip in his truck for our new channel. Link will be in the description for that one, guys. Go subscribe. I promise you, you will not be let down. And his truck was running excellent. And I really wanted to try out this transmission tuning, so here we are.
You should have told people that.
What, when I flew the drone into the truck right here?
Yeah. You dumbass. Flying.
Real nice. Right into a black truck, drone, straight into the door. Alright, just like that. Transmission tuning is done.
Now on your Kelly Blue Book thing, you went from like, what, fair to poor now.
Oh yeah.
Platinum.
You know, whenever you wreck a drone into your truck, and you immediately go to the poor category on the Blue Book value.
Stuff the paint like that.
Right, so if you guys want to make an offer, you know, here's the Platinum, you know, just a slight drone crash into the door, but we're good, you know, we'll buff it out for you. We'll be okay. But alright, so we're going to go back inside, and then we'll give you guys a nice test drive with the new transmission tuning. And let me tell you, I already know about it from his truck. It's very good. Alright, while Dan is up there pulling off something, I'm going to show you guys sneak peek into the awesome 6.7 PowerStroke parts that are about to be released. There's other secret parts on there that we can't show you guys real quick. I'm going to show you guys this. Okay, so 73-ish. Check this thing out. This thing is sick. They're running a small box Chevy. Huge turbo. Yeah. Got it. Alright guys, so this is the thing that is almost ready. You guys have seen some prototype stuff before, like 3D printed stuff. This is the actual first ever prototype real model that is actually, you know, ready to go. It's machined, obviously not powder coated yet. But this is going to be the game changer for the 6.7 PowerStrokes. If you guys are familiar with the intake manifold, you have seen the other ones on the market. Now this one, not only does it look 10 times better, it performs 10 times better. This is literally going to be the intake manifold to have for your truck if you're running a 6.7 PowerStroke. Okay, so I've just been rambling. What do you want to say?
All factory gaskets. So you can literally just buy the gaskets from Ford. I know other people are doing it also, but factory gasket goes on it. Map sensors on the side. And then this would be raw, obviously. We're going to do a powder coated version, and then this will be sanded off.
Okay, so this will be raw, just like aluminum.
Yeah.
And then you could do powder coat, whatever color. Are you going to offer select colors? Or
Yeah,
are you
we're going to have
custom?
some basic colors and then more for custom colors.
Okay, guys, this is it. I would show you it on the test truck back there, but like I said, there's other secret parts in the works that we can't show you just yet, but you guys got to be patient. But this here is just about ready. These are in production?
Yes. Yep,
okay, so these are in production right now.
The machining's all done. Our program, we got the program all ironed out. It's all good to go. That's what we were waiting on, because we're actually, when these come casted, they're not finished machined down inside. So we actually go in and port these open so that this perfectly aligns with the factory inlet on the valve cover.
Yeah.
So the inside, the one thing we do is this is a true 3-inch inside diameter. So most of the other stuff on the market that have 3-inch inlets, they're 3-inch OD, not ID.
I got you. You're right.
So this is 3.5 OD. So we'll have a 3.5-inch pipe option, and then you can cut these off and weld down to a 3-inch, 3.5, whatever. So.
And some serious engineering went into this design, right? Like
this actually, yeah, like we optimized it on Flowbench and CAD software. So I mean, it is literally, it's designed to be symmetrical and also flow as good as possible.
And it looks killer. I mean, I'm sure you guys, if you're familiar, if you're watching, if you're seeing this here, you've seen other models on the market, and this just looks so good. I can't even tell you how bad I can't wait for this for my truck. So you guys might be seeing one of these soon, potentially on the Platinum, but like I said, this is the very first actual prototype that is finished, ready to do.
But we have, like, when I was designing this, I took into account everything else that was on the market. So I can tell you this will be the best flowing one available currently. So not saying nothing else can come out down the road, but currently, the offerings that are on the market, this is the best flowing.
So there you guys go. I always like to give you guys insights on what's happening in the 6.7 PowerStroke world. And this is a pretty big one. So stay tuned for more on that. I will be covering this first, and I will tell you guys as soon as it's ready to go.
And there's even more coming.
So much more.
So much more. There's some big stuff coming.
Big. So yeah, guys, super pumped for this and for what's to come. Literally game changer. So yeah, stay tuned. But all right, I'm hitting the road. Thank you for the transmission tuning thing that we're going to test out. It's going to be sick.
Run that, see how it works in your truck. But anyway, run it with that rear gear, see how it is.
Yeah. So stay tuned for the update on the transmission stuff. We will let you guys know if that's going to be released to you guys or what. But like I said, it's in testing, so we're going to run it. His truck runs absolutely awesome with it. Run it in mine, see how it goes. But all right, that's it. I'm rambling.
Peace.
Alright guys, I have just about an hour drive home to test out these new transmission tunes. Okay, so we're going to really try to review these for you guys to give you an insight on the new transmission tuning that will be from SPE. The shift points are all changed. The whole transmission tuning is essentially changed. So should be awesome. Torque converter lockups all different. Basically everything's changed. So here we go. Oh yeah, I can notice the shift points are way different from how they were, and oh yeah. See it downshifting. Before, basically, the transmission would short shift, okay? So you would be cruising along and it would be shifting just under 1,500 RPMs, and that's more of a factory style shift. This thing has better downshifts and longer upshifts, so you stay in the gear longer. And see, it shifted at $2,000 there instead of just under 1,500. So probably normally it would shift at 1,400. Now the shift point is at 2,000 RPMs, which would be a lot better for definitely towing and better performance all around. So, well, check that out over there. There you go. I'll take one, please. Oh yeah. All right. Yeah, way better. Downshifting, excellent. This is just the first initial review. This is just like a first impression of it. I will do a much better review for you guys. But all right, that's it. I'm rambling. You guys seen what we were doing today. We were working on some super epic, awesome stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed I gotta put my seatbelt on. Yeah, don't roast me in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed the sneak peek on that intake manifold for the 6.7 PowerStrokes. Guys, if you're in the market for one of those, just wait. They are gonna be here so very soon. And let me tell you, they are absolutely awesome. I'm on my way to the house. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way this week. As always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace!